Hey everybody, what is happening? We're at again the Red Dragon Adult Store. Arcade novelties, video rentals, back when VHS was got the wreck with me.
I actually got a story about this place too.
If anybody knows, actually my brother painted this, 5119 Broadway. My brother actually used to be painting, see under it, you can see the opening? He had like a dragon on there and there's a bunch of stuff on there. But anyway, my brother painted this place, and Dave Strom, the guy who owns Deja Vu from Lake Station, he actually worked here, opened this up, and he used to sleep and eat here and lived in here until he got enough money up to open up Deja Vu. I worked for the man at one point in time, so yeah. There was a booth back here where you could actually put dollars in. And no, I didn't go, but like I said, I know the man who owned it, and I've seen the inside of it before. Big building.
What's next to it? I always forget.
I don't know, that's all.
Hey, but I came, a friend referred me to apply for a job here at the bookstore, and they ended up hiring me, same company. I worked on Wells Street in Chicago, man, one of the best jobs I had in my life. But yeah, I had to commute after about 3 years. I couldn't do it no more. We've been trying to get in this place, and it's been secured pretty good.
I'm surprised the doors are not busted open.
I really am, man.
I'm very surprised they're not open.
Look at that door handle gone now. No?
Can't get in. Okay. But anyway, I wanted to document this one. We're going to see if we can't get in the one next to it. It looked like the front maybe has some access to it. It's not one of our normal early morning explorers, so it's kind of nervous out here. A lot of people out and about. I'm not showing the parking lot next to here. Brand new. Yeah. But I don't want to involve them in this video and make it look bad. Maybe we can put us next to that building in an adult store. We see a lot of
Look at Area 51
Hey.
Bar and Grill.
What? Oh wow! Wonder if they got aliens. Look, liquor bottles right there. It's wide open, isn't it? It is. It's just laying there. And it's been like that for a while.
Get a light.
You see this?
Yeah. Yes. We need a light. Let's get the light. Let's do it right. Well, we're on Broadway, bro. Holding this wood.
All right, we're going in. Well, it looks like that door is open over there. The board was just actually just laying up there. It's all warped. Here's next door to 5119. Oh, jeez.
Got the keys?
Yeah. And not sure what the address on this one is. Are we clear? Look around.
Oh, Sandy was messing with the colors.
Whoa. Whoa. Yikes. Look at this hot mess.
There's that basement.
Whoa, that floor's soft right there. Watch how you walk. Look back here. Whoa. Walk right here under this beam. Oh man, this is a bar. Look.
Look at the beefy.
Yeah, see that? Stretching back there, walk slow. Here it is.
Look at that, bro. Look at tiki cup, yo.
You dirty dog. He's been looking for tiki cups since the Ming Ling, our first video.
Look at this.
Look at this. Pictures of people in here. Oh, first. Hey, this is one.
Man, this used to be a Legion, bro.
Look at all this. Look at all this first aid stuff.
Bro, look at the basement full of water, man.
Whoa.
Strange.
Merry Christmas. It's a Legion, yeah. Support your local Legion.
Look, it says right here, look, 270. Look at the old style thing.
Yeah. What's that? Look at that.
Yeah, just. Wow, is that Gary shaped or is that just a stuff?
Whoa. Yo, Rec. Look at the kitchen. There's the filing cabinets. I'm not opening that door. I don't care what's in that refrigerator.
Right.
The American Legion, Department of Indiana. Here's all the paperwork. Here we go.
Talisman American Legion. Dope.
Here it is. American Legion Post 270, 5117 Broadway.
For our troops.
You found a tiki cup. Unbelievable. There might be more in here then.
In this refrigerator.
Look.
Whoa.
Oh, I haven't seen one of those in a long time. Look at that. Let me turn my light down. Let me get a. Hey, help me out on this.
1983.
Stone Red do it again.
You know we do it, bro. You know how
This is what happens when.
freestyles go.
This is what happens when you freestyle. You freestyle. Abracadabra.
Over here, bro. Look at that.
Oh, I can pick this. I know I can. Wow, look at this. Whoa. Yep, just as expected. Yo, I found their dice. You'll never guess what I just found. Here, we're sitting here in the car. Sanitize our hands.
There's another one. I'll trade you a tiki cup.
No.
What's on the box?
Look at all these Christmas cards and stuff. All these memories. Going with me. Sorry. That's how that one goes. Some things you just can't. Why would anybody leave that behind? I'm gonna take it and rescue it. Clean it all up.
Have you seen this down here? Old
No, but I just feel a big old cobweb across my legs.
That's why you got one of the socks, bro.
Does this lead to the next building? Hey, look how they got the back door.
Yeah, we never got in there.
Bathroom?
No. Let's see if I can kick that.
That bathroom, look at that basement, it's just totally flooded. Throw a light on that real quick.
Yeah, that's what through that.
Look how bad that's flooded.
Yeah,
We don't want to go through this floor.
Yeah.
All right, let's check this.
Check that out.
Here's all their certificates, look.
Oh, look, that's mine.
Be careful with that, opening that, those things fall.
Look at that, man.
You need a key to open it. Here's the names of the guys that was running it.
Oh, look at this flag is torn to pieces.
Look at all the old ticket stubs. I'm gonna pick up a lot of stuff. Look. Big Al membership.
Pretty cool, huh?
That's really cool. Look, here's another old slot machine. See, I got these little people. Boom.
Hey,
Did you get it open?
yeah.
You did? Yeah. I told you that would work, didn't I?
Look at, man, there's another one. That's a good one.
Oh man, that is good. Look, just look at it. You can't get, man, don't, man. The whole shelf's gonna fall.
You're right.
They got the shelf propped up with it. The booby trap. I seen this on Indiana Jones.
Name.
Wow, everybody's names and stuff in there.
Look at all the fun crutches, isn't it?
Always. Bunch of paper. Wow, this is cool.
Look at, you know it was a Legion now.
Yeah, look at the bag right
You
here.
should get these to
There's a bag
Sammy,
of
bro.
tear off soon
Oh, yeah.
from these machines.
Hey, you want to get these to Sammy so you can hustle them off?
Oh, so you don't need the keys, man? You need the keys for anything?
Yeah, we're good, man.
All right, well, there it is. We were at
Legion 270.
Legion 270. Pay your dues at the bar for $35, patronize the bar. And I can't believe these people leave stuff like this behind, you know. I have that almost exact same clock in my house, in the kitchen. All right. Pretty cool, man. Pretty neat. What is that? Another machine?
Yeah. Is it? Watch walking over.
Yeah. This
Walk along these things here.
is feeling really sketchy walking to there.
You don't want to fall in that station.
Get that light over here one more time, so.
American Legion 270. Look at the fan.
I want to get a good look around for everybody. Go on this wall over here, bro. Hey, yeah. See how bad it is over there? Here's the old table. The old card table. Oh no, the old poker table, look. The poker table.
Yeah.
Better bet have some good times in here, man.
Oh, I bet. Christmas.
That wheelchair's weird. It's okay. Look at all the old chairs. Look at all the old chairs. How many of them? They're everywhere. That might be a picture. Damn. Where does that go?
Flooded ass basement. There must be something down there because look at somebody's trying to drain the water.
Not a bad one, huh?
Not bad at all, man. Came looking for porn and filth, and we found the American Legion Post 270.
Get me out of here.
Hey, we out. Catch us on our next video. Got my tiki cup finally.